Okay, so I got the piston out of it, as you can see now. Connecting rod out, camshaft out, valves out, and there it all is. There's all the bolts for the crankcase cover. There's the oil splash, crankcase or connecting rod is, and connecting rod holder. And there is the valves and the camshaft with the gear, with the timing gear. Again, timing mark is right there. Timing mark is right there. So, if it will focus, there you go. So, I got that out, and I discover, if I run my nail on there, I discover there are score marks and lines, and you could tell there's oil right there, which means the springs were, or the piston rings were shot and garbage. Old one, all scored. What the hell? So I will be using this connecting rod, those clips, there's one on each side, and putting it on this one with the clips. So I will be using a honer, which is this. I will be using that with some good old WD-40 and a Drill Master drill. So I will hone this using that. I might not be able to get a video because I gotta use two hands, but all it is squeezing these together, putting it in, putting it on a drill obviously, and it will spin. And as you can see there, it just started to make a few little scrapes there. You want it all the way around and smooth. You should not be able to feel the marks in the cylinder when you're done. And that's all. You just keep spraying WD-40 in it while it's spinning back and forth. So that's pretty simple. I will get back to you when I get that done.